How to create Microsoft Team meeting link for guests. The very first thing you want to do is to open Microsoft Team. Enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is, at the left hand side of your screen, head over to Calendar, and then at the top right corner, you'll get to see the option where it says New Meeting. Simply click on it. Now for the meeting, you have to fill out some of the informations. Enter the title, select the date, day, and also the time. Choose if you want to repeat the meeting or not. Also, you can enter the location. Once you have filled the information, tap on Save at the top right corner. Now for the link, all you want to do is tap on Copy Link. Well, the link will be created automatically, so all you want to do is copy the link and send it to the people that you want to involve in the meeting. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create Microsoft Team meeting link for guests. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.